Hey guys, Rich here at Flipping for a Living. I hope you're having a great day. It's Thursday night. I just unloaded my finds for the day. Went to 6 or 8 yard sales and it was pretty successful. Spent about $185. Easily gonna make $500 off this stuff. And right now it's my show and tell time of the week where I just want to show you guys what I got, what I paid, where I'm going to sell it, and what I'm going to sell it for, so you can see all the different things that you can make money off of. It's not just vintage electronics or video games or bikes. So many ways to source and make money at yard sales. The best place to source, bar none. So let's take a quick look. I don't know if I showed anybody that. Just on a side note, I bought that last week at a yard sale for 20 bucks. It's like 14 feet tall. And originally I was gonna just sell it as a fire pit for like 200, and then I started doing some more research and realized that that is a really iconic piece of 70s architecture or interior design, and I posted it for $950. And no bites yet, but I know we're gonna make some huge money off that. Anyways, let's start right here behind me. This chair, guy had it priced for $40, and the more I looked at it, the more I liked it. It started reminding me of like Game of Thrones or something. I mean, not quite as extravagant, but it's a super sturdy, cool rocking chair. What mattered most is that the material was in good shape to me. This stuff can always be touched up. These nicks and scratches, that's not hard. Anybody can do that. But refinishing something this intricate is very difficult. They were asking 40, he gave it to me for 30 bucks. Same thing on this. The more I look at it, like I said, the more I look at it, the more I like it. I was gonna post it for 100 and try and get 75, but now I think I'm gonna put it for like 150 and wait it out and find the right buyer on that. Dartboards have been really good for me lately. I think this will be my 6th and 7th dartboards just in the last 5 or 6 weeks. Yeah, I paid up for it, 10 bucks. But this one came with darts. The dollar stores actually sell steel darts now. So I would suggest if you get a dartboard, grab a set of steel darts for a couple bucks and throw it in there. So these, I'm gonna get 30, possibly $35 a piece for. And I just want to say that in one sense I'm a little bit spoiled because the margins at yard sales are so huge. I don't just like spending $10 on something to make $10. I definitely will not spend $5 to make $5. But as you'll see today, I spent $5 a lot of times to make $20. And some people still won't do that. They don't want to deal with it, especially if they're selling locally. They don't want to deal with people just to make $15. But my philosophy is I'm at the yard sale anyways. Why would I walk away from somebody, like for example, this horse for $5 in really great shape? Why would I walk away from that even if I can only get 20 bucks for it? I'm handing them a $5 bill and they are handing me a $20 bill. And this will sell locally within the next 48 hours, guaranteed for 20, maybe even 25. I'll have to look it up. So the dartboards, this nice wicker storage cabinet, stool, whatever you want to call it, that was also $10. I'm going to sell that locally probably for 30 or 35. It's real easy money. Down here, I've never, I don't buy a lot of canes intentionally, but this cane was super cool with the elephant carved right into it. It's in really nice shape. I don't even know what that's worth, maybe 25 bucks. I paid 5 for it. I've got an issue with tripods. I buy them all the time for $5 and $10, and I don't post them up very often. This one I paid $10 for. It's in the box. It seems really industrial, and I'm sure we're gonna triple, quadruple, quintuple maybe our money on that. It's far from sledding season, but I've never seen a sled quite like this. All wood with the bamboo. It's in really nice shape. They only wanted 5 bucks for it. I'm probably still gonna try and sell this even though it's summer for 25 bucks, and I think I'm gonna get it. But if I have to store it till winter, I have the luxury to do that. Double car garage. You saw the horse. $5, and yeah, $25 for sure on that. This Benchmark tool chest, this was $3. I'm going to sell that also locally for about $20. The other thing I want to talk about today is I roughly have about 24 items to resell, and I already kind of did a tally. 17 of them are going to be sold locally. I love selling locally. Once you learn to navigate Facebook Marketplace and deal with all the tire kickers, basically ignore the tire kickers and know who the serious people are, it's fabulous. I usually sell $500 a weekend, every weekend during garage sale season on Marketplace. That's a bare minimum, a lot of times closer to 1,000. This was a nice little find because not only is it a really good shape vintage Coleman cooler, that's what it's called, a cooler, for $10. I'll get 25 or 30 for that. Again, not huge money, but I'm gonna flip it locally. No packing, no shipping, no fees, no returns, all profit. But all these light bulbs in there, I guess I'm not as friendly to the environment as everybody else. I'm fine using these type of light bulbs still. They were giving these all away. Those were all free, all the light bulbs in there. I love when I get things that are useful around the home, especially when they're free. I'm looking for a little bit of help on these, you guys. You see on there, that's not $100, that's not $10, it was $1 for these. There's some type of little locking box, and I don't know what you store in there. It looks like a little house almost, but like, I don't know what goes in there. So help me out if you know. I just thought it was a really nice fine piece of woodworking for $1, especially with the little locks and the keys on both of them. Nice dovetail finish. Super cool little boxes. Not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I wasn't going to leave them for a buck. Little nailers like this, tools, little hand tools. Even if you don't know what they are, you guys, you see a hand tool in a little case that's working for $5, snap it up. It's guaranteed $20 to $30. This is going to be $25 locally. Easy $20 profit. Love doing that all day long. I'm not a fisherman, I'm not a hunter, but now I can look like I am. This person was selling off their old fishing and hunting trophies for $1 a piece. Yeah, sometimes I buy the dumbest stuff, but I don't know. I have a feeling there might be actually collectors for vintage trophies, right? This is from 1975. Cool little hunter guy. Why not, right? It was $1. You gotta be willing to take a gamble for $1 or $2, you guys, if you're in this business. While I'm talking about that, talking about taking gambles, everything I'm showing you today, I realized this after I put it all out. Not one single thing did I do a comp on. No eBay app, no Amazon app, no looking up anything. This all was just off of instinct, off of gut, off of repetition, selling all these kinds of things before. And then sometimes you just pick something up and you know that it's money. And I'll show you something like that in a couple minutes here. Here's a little junior set of golf clubs. They're in nice shape, they're complete, paid $20 for those. Probably gonna get about 60 for those, I think. Again, locally. These giant lures, again, I'm not a fisherman. Regular price 21, they had them for 5. I got the 2 for 7. I'm sure I will triple up my money on those. I like this little lamp here, this little lantern, made in Czechoslovakia. So that's the main reason I bought it, but they adapted it to be plug-in. I believe they adapted it themselves. Either way, made in Czechoslovakia. I wasn't going to pass up on that for $3. That's going to be $20 easily. One Starbucks mug for $0.25. I didn't comp it, didn't look it up. Who's going to pass that up for $0.25? Might be worth nothing, but we're only going to be out $0.25. This resistance tubing band, still new in the box, 50 cents. That's great for eBay or Amazon. Easy to do, easy to sell. This seltzer bottle, it's vintage, but it's from my area of the country, another city that's close by to me. I don't really know why I bought that. I just thought it was a nice piece to have in your bar, a nice seltzer bottle for $2. So I might just keep it. But I I bet you it's worth 15 or 20 bucks. Just gambling on that. This is that other kind of stuff that I love buying at yard sales. This stuff is like $8 to $10 a bottle, and I'm doing replacing a couple windows in my house. So I got these for $1 a bottle. Actually, I stand corrected. She was gonna give me these with some other stuff I bought from her. So I gave her $2 for them. So 50 cents a piece I paid for those, just out of the goodness of my heart. I could have had them for free, but it's just like, it's $40 there. So I could probably even take these back to Home Depot and get a store credit for 10 bucks a piece if I wanted to. Another great thing, $2 a piece for these. I know these are also around 10 or 12 bucks. They shine up the tires on your bike or on your car, but mostly I'll be using these on bikes. You spray the spray foam on there and it makes the tire look brand new again instantly. Great to have just in your repertoire of things as a reseller. I don't know what this is or what it's worth. Again, it was $1, but I've often complained to myself sitting around the outdoor fireplace or indoor fireplace, Richard, my back is cold. They need something that keeps your back warm when you're sitting facing a fire rather than having to turn around. And now they have it. It's the No More Cold Back campfires. That's what it is. And it only costs $1. So now I don't have to invent it because it's already been invented. Here was another just blind buy, as they all were today, but these 3 clocks, or 2 clocks, 1 radio, an old Sanyo, an old West clock, nice baby blue, and Electro Home Fiesta. I got all 3 of these for 10 bucks. No idea what they're worth, but I was not going to pass up on them for 10 bucks. It's that time of year, lots of water sports happening in my area. 4 bucks for that. I'll sell this for 20 locally. This one is crazy. I did not comp it when I bought it, but who's not going to buy a Mickey statue for $2 in the box? And it looks like these are actually selling for about 50 bucks. So that's kind of a home run. Look at that. It still has the wrapping paper on it from when they tore it open at Christmas and never used it. So nice. Another awesome find today. In the box, a complete set of lawn darts for 2 bucks. You gotta find the right place to resell these. Facebook Marketplace will not allow it, nor will you get top value on Facebook. This is a niche market, but they are very collectible and it's nice to have in the box. This is gonna be like probably a 50 times my money investment, so that is sweet. This, I just was curious about it. I didn't, again, comp it, but in winter, when you're low on vitamin D, this stuff will give you energy naturally give you energy with this artificial light. It was 4 bucks. These do sell for about 25 bucks, so I'll probably just sell it locally for 20 bucks. I might try it out, see if it makes me feel better and I get instant energy boost from it. We'll see what happens. Last couple things, you guys. Sorry, I just about broke one of them. This is another thing, is just, I couldn't refuse. These little boxes all have some type of a Mickey or Disney related character in them. These, as you can see, they were 2 bucks a piece. There are 7 of them. I got them all for $14, and I did start looking these up. Some of these are like $20, $30, even $40 a piece. So conservatively, I know this is going to be $100 off of a $10 investment. That's the kind of thing we're looking at. I opened one so you could see this little nice little Minnie Mouse. Ain't she so cute? And last couple things, you always got to take care of your loved ones. Bought my wife a nice vintage Afghan from some nice old ladies for $3 to stay warm on the cooler nights around the fire pit. And I did bring her home 4 sets of sandals. She already picked out the 2 that she wants. It was 2 bucks a piece. I got 4 for $5. These ones, I didn't comp them yet or look them up, but they actually have a sticker still. 70 bucks, they were new. So at $1.25, I think that was a pretty good find. And last but not least, this Coleman camping cot. It's all collapsible. folds down into a bag like the chairs do these days. These are selling for about $139 new. They had it priced for $25 and I paid $25, and I'll probably get for sure $75, maybe $80 for this, and again locally, of course. So those are my finds for the day, you guys, and what I want to continue to encourage you to do is take a gamble, buy something for $1 or $2, just go on gut instinct. You should very soon be able to pick up things and just know that is money. How can that not be worth way more than $2? It's Disney themed. It's obviously genuine Disney product, not some type of knockoff. You just gotta learn to trust your gut and know what money is. I reiterate it a lot, but stick with stuff that's current. If you're new to this, don't worry about buying antiques and collectibles. Buy things that people use on an everyday basis, and you're gonna sell them. 99 out of 100 people are looking for something on Facebook that they want to use today, or will get pleasure out of using today, as opposed to, you know, getting an antique plate and hanging it on the wall in their hallway and nobody sees it. Who cares? Don't worry about that stuff. It'll come with time. You'll learn what to buy with time when it comes to antique and collectibles. But yeah, stick with modern, stick with current. Don't be afraid to try a few things that maybe you're not familiar with, and continue to like and follow me at Flippin' for a Livin'. I hope you guys, if you haven't already done so, will subscribe at your leisure, or don't, whatever. But hit the notification bell also, so you know when all my new videos come out. And follow me on Instagram for the shorter clips on a daily basis. I hope you guys all have a great day. Good luck on your hunt, and love what you do.